with Let's Go Adventures.
So y'all, today we've been cooped up with the Roni for a long time.
The big C word.
Right, Roni, thanks to AK Adventures. Love you guys. Anyway, so we've been cooped up in the house now for 6 weeks.
A month? 2 months?
I don't know, a long time. So we were gonna come putt-putt yesterday because we found out that our local putt-putt High Seas has opened back up. So here we are.
Here.
So yeah, and so we're just gonna roll through this thing, man. This is High Seas. They have.
It's our first time here. It's our local putt-putt place. They've been around for a couple years now, I think.
Maybe 2 years, yeah. Really cool. You can see like it's got like this pirate theme. Pirate and like, you know, it looks like a Mexican Mexican temple that's spewing water behind us. Oh my God.
Anywho, come along with us and play some putt-putt.
Let's go. All right, we're getting ready to kick it off. We just went back and got us a she clawing today. I don't know. And I got me I spilled a summer shandy. It's nice and pretty and clear skies. It's all summery. Yeah, I'm gonna have me a summer shandy or a few. Birthday! How many was that? Jim likes her booty. Alright, this is Shark Alley, y'all. These sharks. Long way down to the left. Oh, off the back and centered up. What a nice shot for a follower. The ball is out.
He's ready to make his move.
This will be a hole-in-one. Ready, America.
Oh. He actually did better than me, and he did a little bump. There you go.
We're down here, and we're knocking in the city. She's actually not winning, but... Gary player move on it. Alright, here's the box challenge. Oh, around. There it goes. Alright, let's go.
Please turn. Let's see how he hits it. Oh! Did not work well for him.
Here's in the box.
You need to quit recording.
We gotta hang out here. there. Hey y'all. So we took a little break. We got to hole 4 or 5 before we had to hit the bathroom. So we took a break to hit the bathroom and get some more refreshments. Jen got her some rosé wine, little bub. I got me another summer shandy, and we're gonna let some folks play through, and then we're going to get back at hole 5.
5, I think. Yes.
I mean, this is as enthralling as the Mickelson Woods rematch in Vegas. We got Jackson. I don't even know. All right, Jackson, what you gonna do? What you got? All right, that's 3 for her. I mean, way past the hole.
Seems easy, but very hard.
Yar, matey. This hole be rated R. So we're getting ready to head into the pirate ship and take down the hole in 1 or 4. Or 7.
I thought you were taking a picture.
Oh. Hands off me, booty. Oh, let's go. Oh my gosh, y'all.
Inside a hut.
We're hiding out inside of a pirate hut. Here at the high seas, our life is in danger. Pirates abound.
Maybe we should do like a
Bum, bum, bum,
round
bum,
thingy,
bum,
let
bum,
'em see what we're in.
bum. Here we go, spin. A pair of DJ spin.
Right?
Not nearly as classy though.
No.
Oh yeah. So there we go.
Ooh, dizzy.
There's water out there. You can't see it, but we're
Very cool.
hanging out.
Having fun.
Pirating. Jennifer's face is red. I don't know if she's sunburnt or drunk. Maybe both.
Or bye.
Dead man sail, night sail. Let's go splash around the lagoon. Oh, a crocodile. Coming at you. He's gonna eat your balls. ho, 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 ho.